14 car that's going to be leading them around. It's Eugene Gelderblom, the Vet Brits on the outside with the 93. Skulk is in the extreme panel and spray car. Off the 10, there's going to be a very quick car driver combination. That's Andre Schaefer in the manual engineering Stellenbosch Speed Fitment Center in the auto body shop. See the 99 is in there as well. JP van Niekerk. I'm going to say that I think the Vet Brits is going to get the whole shot into turn number 1. I think you're going to find Scott Swart is going to sit on the outside line and just keep the hammer down. He's not scared to go around the outside whatsoever. I think he will fancy that the Vet Brits might just get ahead of the 14 car on the takeoff of Eugene Gelderblom. And try and go with this guy, Eugene Gelderblom. He's quick off the line. He's wakker. Which is single file, which makes it even more difficult. Net Derek, when they come out for heat number 2, they will be starting at the back again because it's foul invert.
Al, dit staan vir Skalk Chucky Swart in 'n goeie posisie. Met ander woorde, hy het homself nou 2 posisies opgetel sommer om niks te doen. Hy begin nou agter Andre Schaefer. Nie dat Schaefer dit vir hom gaan maklik maak om verby te kom nie. Maar kort op hulle hakke is ook Morna Herald agter hulle. Is dit JP van die Kerk?
And as he started going slower, the Skulk went for the inside line. Unfortunately, you haven't got mirrors in these cars, and he didn't realize that the extreme panel and spray 4 car of the Skulk was already coming up on that inside line.